There was a dispute between the commander of the faithful, Omar bin Al-Khattab, and Ubayy bin Ka'b. May God be pleased with them both. So they went to Zaid bin Thabit to rule between them. Zaid welcomed them, brought them in, and made room for Omar to make him sit in a distinguished place, and said, "Sit here, O commander of the faithful." So Omar said to him, "This is the first injustice. Injustice occurred in your ruling, but I sit with my opponent." The two opponents sat together in front of Zaid, and my father claimed something, and Omar denied it. In such a case, the plaintiff must provide evidence, and whoever denies must swear an oath. Then Zaid said to my father, "I absolve the commander of the faithful from the oath," and I would not ask it to anyone other than him, but Omar refused and took the oath. Then he got up angry because the judge was separating between him and his opponent, and he swore that Zaid would not take over the judiciary, so that Omar and a man from among the general Muslims would be equal to him. No difference between them.